800 feet drop.
Clouds look like mountains, your eyes, they look like...
I'm going to pick up the boys right now from the haunted house thing or whatever it's called. Also keep your judgy comments to yourselves. It is so gusty outside right now. It's a little bit eerie out here. It's so dusty. It's like a dust storm. It's like I'm driving through a dust storm right now with a crazy bad driver in front of me. Gabe, if I don't come home in 20 minutes and help. Guys, legit, people don't know how to drive. This car that's literally holding up about 60 cars, they're just stopped, waiting. It's also seriously insanely gusty right now. God, I wish I could explain to you the level of stress and anxiety that I'm feeling in this parking lot right now.
Are you picking up?
Yeah.
All right.
This car has been really holding everyone up this whole entire time.
It's chaos tonight.
I'm sure it is.
All right.
Yep, I'll move up as soon as they move.
I cannot even see right now. I'm dead.
You excited, Cruz?
Uh-huh.
It's so cold, Cruiser.
Climb up this hill, the manzanita goes away altogether. You won't see any more of it after we get past a certain level. And most of the trees that shed...
800 feet drop.
What does that mean? Does anyone know what that means?
I think it means...
What do you think, Cruz? Are you scared?
Mia, be careful, they're high stairs.
So sparkly. So cool. Shelfie.
It's called shelfstone. Now, shelfstone is formed when water sits at a certain level inside a room for so long that calcite builds up around the edges, showing us where it sat. So we know that water sat at that level in this room for maybe hundreds of thousands of years, which is pretty incredible. Can you imagine swimming through some of these tunnels? It's been pretty cool, right?
It's a very safe space. We're just gonna hope that my legs and lungs can do it.
Face them burn any which way they want to. Now, my favorite is this guy here. It looks like a little upside down tree root, just kind of doing a little thing. Yeah.
Put your light on it.
I didn't dig for it, I just looked
Yeah,
under
put
a
your
rock.
light on it. Put your light on it.
Like it looked...
Oh yeah.
like it
The light
looked
shines
better.
through. That's awesome. So cool. I love that I had that on video.
I love tricks. I know when you put it on video, I was like, thank you.
That's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah. 540th time a helmet has fallen.
During the 1940s, people had to use climbing equipment to get up and down a 35-foot tube. That's not a fun idea.
Yes.
Do I look like a Grinch from this side?
You're so weird.
It's cold.
Does he look cool though?
That's so weird.
It's the belly. It's the belly.
It is. That's bursting out of the seams.
Watch out, because I'm coming.
Ari feels so awkward right now.
Their dinner smells so good.
I know, it really does. You did it, Ari.
Oh, I love her house.
It's so cute. She's like, where is it? Dad to the rescue. What do you want to ask them?
Oh,
I can't talk right now, but trick or water?
Trick or water. He's so thirsty. Santa Claus. Here.
Oh, geez.